Hi guys, today we're making the popular ginger shot. The recipe I have here is ginger, turmeric, carrot and lemon. So guys, watch the process if you want to learn how to make your popular ginger shot, which of course you know the benefit. It detox the system and regulates your body. So watch as I make this delicious guys. When I mean delicious, I mean the opposite, but it's very really good for the body. So you have to first of all slice your carrots. Make sure you get your carrots, wash it thoroughly. These particular ones I'm using, I've really washed it thoroughly, thoroughly. And that's the lemon. I go ahead and slice the lemon too, just to make it not too big for my blender, because I'll be using a smaller blender. I don't want the turmeric to stain my blender, my bigger blender, so I'm going for the smaller blender. That's why I'm cutting it. But even at that, if you still have a bigger blender, do well to like slice it into pieces so you get a smoother one. This is the carrot, this is the ginger. I've cut the carrot, the lemon, the ginger and the turmeric. Guys, when you're doing this, you really have to be very careful, because as you well know, turmeric stains. So be careful so that everywhere in your kitchen doesn't get stained. But you know you can avoid the stain, because I still need some things to be able to squeeze out the juice, so all of those things of course will get stained. So guys, I make sure I slice this thoroughly. Yeah, and this is the turmeric. The turmeric looks exactly as ginger, but it's not, it has a different color. It looks yellowish. Is it not orange? Yes, I guess it looks something yellowish orange or something. Yeah, like that. So if you want to get this, you can get this in your local store. If you're in Nigeria, to be precise, you can get it from those aboki that sells on the road, or those aboki that sell all the spicy ingredients. But if you're outside, you can get it in a local store near you, or a local market near you, like all those people that are selling spices. Yeah, so do well to put this in your blender, like I'm putting it right now. I added all this ingredients, all the mixtures together, and put in the blender. Some people will like scrape the back of their ginger, but I'm not scraping the back of my ginger nor my turmeric. I just want to get all the benefits, because trust me, even the back has its own benefits. And I didn't even slice the back of my lemon too. I added everything, because trust me, all of these things have their own benefits. So I didn't peel anything, I just went ahead. Since we are even going to filter it, why the need to peel? So I just blended everything to get all the juice and all the nutrients, all the goodies is gonna do to my body. And here is me putting water. Put enough water so you don't spoil your blender. Put enough water and grind very well so you get all the juice. Make sure it's well blended. Like I figured the water wasn't enough and it wasn't so guys, keep blending until you have the consistency you want. You're making sure that it's well blended so you're able to get more juice from it, because if it doesn't blend well, you can't get more juice. This is what I get after blending. Get a sieve. Guys, here I know I messed up. I didn't have like this is not the best sieve I would have used. I would have gotten like a cloth. Next time that's how I would do it. So if you know you want to try this thing, please make sure you have a cloth sieve. Just pour everything in it and like squeeze it out. You're able to save yourself the stress I went through with this, and you're able to get more of the juice out. So guys, a disclaimer: if you know you have ulcer, please don't come and say BD asked you to drink this to detox your system, and it also enable you to lose weight. But if you know you have ulcer, please run away from this recipe. It's not for you, it's not for ulcer patients. Run away. Thank you. So guys, people that don't have ulcer, this is for you. Detox you, makes you feel less bloated, and give you an even waistline. So guys, like I said, if you have a close shave, make use of that, because this didn't really give me the result I wanted, but I didn't have a close shave. That was why I managed this. But actually I still got enough juice, because I actually did this twice. I grinded it twice and got enough that I could use. So towards the end of this video, you'll see how much I got. And guys, please, if this video is what you love to see and you love to watch and you appreciate me, please do want to subscribe and like, share, so that more people can watch this video, because it's very beneficial to the hair. So guys, this is what we got from that. This is what we got. I saw that book, I got a lot. Look at that, guys. Let's see how it's gonna fill these bottles. And I have these 2 Lagor's bottle, empty water bottles, that I want to put it inside. So let's see how much of it we get in this water bottle. How many water bottles can get filled up? Let's see how many water bottles we got. Just be careful, because it soils the kitchen a lot. Guys, you can't imagine, after this, did you know how much I had to like clean the kitchen? I had to clean the kitchen very, very well, because this was a lot of dirt and stains everywhere. But for my blender, that one is gone, because it's a white blender, and I blended this mixture in it. This mixture is so colorful, has a very beautiful color, but it stains a lot. And this is the consistency and the amount I got. I was able to fill a whole Lagor's bottle first. Yeah, I was able to do that. I was able to fill a whole Lagor's bottle. After filling the Lagor's bottle, I make sure it's not too much, so in case it wants to ferment, it has a lot of space, it doesn't spill out when I'm still busy with it. So that's it. I filled 1 bottle and I got the other bottle. Let's see if it's gonna fill this other bottle. If you're a lady, don't skip this video. Make sure you watch it to the end and you do it. It's very beneficial to your health. This mixture does the wonders. And I will make another video to show you, after 7 days of taking this shot, my honest review on it. So if you want to see the review on my video, please subscribe, comment, share and like. I'll be coming up with the next video to show you what I got, my honest review on this product, no, on this recipe, this rather. So guys, at the end, I gotta clean the kitchen, because everywhere becomes so dirty, and I needed to so much clean. Everywhere is so dirty. I need to clean a lot. There's doing a lot of cleaning here. Make sure you're ready to clean when trying this. I love you and bye.